Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little's Law YouTube channel. So, today in this video, we are going to see how to exclude the unwanted URLs or third party URLs during recording. Because just imagine if you are recording a huge script and you are getting n number of other third party requests which gets recorded as part of your request, which as part of your script. And just imagine it will for sure it will take more than 30 to 40 minutes to just go through each and every request manually and check that whether that's my correct request or whether that's my correct uh, URL which I wanted to record, and are removing unwanted URLs. And again, just imagine if you were deleting some URLs which you really need as part of your script, but you by mistake you might be deleting it. So to avoid all these human errors and to make sure that you record only the required URLs as part of your scripting. So today we will see that in our video, and this will be definitely will help you. This will save you a lot of time. This will save you a lot of save you from create making a lot of errors. So please do watch the video till the end. This will be definitely helping you while creating your scripts. And in fact, this is being automated in tools like Neoload or JMeter, where we have the frameworks where we have the setup. But in JMeter, this is not yet automated. So this video will tell you how to do that. And in this example, I'm going to take you through the petstore.octopuff.com and the Google website. So I'll show you how to record only the required URLs and not the unwanted URLs. And just make sure. So if you are running any third-party applications, this will definitely help you, because if you give the URLs whichever you wanted, so they will be recorded, and all the unwanted URLs will not be recorded, right? So, and before we move on to this video, this is me, Shanmugam. I welcome you all to Little Slide YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give a like, share the video with your friends, and please do consider joining my channel. So joining, I mean, clicking the join button. So this will cost less than £1 if you're in UK, and this will cost less than $1 if you're in US, and this really costs less than 29 rupees for a month, which is less than price of a coffee or a tea or even a snack. So yeah, please do consider joining it, and this will definitely motivate me to create more videos, more and more videos with like quality content. And I make sure that every day I at least post some of the questions or some of the answers like this, and very critical answers like this. So yeah, and in fact, just to tell you, we have lots of videos on DevOps, performance engineering, Neoload, JMeter, and we have videos for Neoload, Load Runner. So if you want to watch any of these, even in fact, I have videos on performance engineering and DevOps as well, on SQL, so whatnot. So we have got all the videos. So please don't forget to subscribe, consider joining my channel again. And yep, so let's go to the video now. So first, let me show you what happens if we do not add any of the exclusions. And for that, I have my browser here and then my JMeter. And let me start the recording. And let me save. Yeah, let me keep it as like 6. And then I'll go to the browser, and then here I have my pet store application. And I click on the fish, the dogs, the reptiles, cats, birds, fish, this thing, and add to cart. Proceed to checkout. One, login, and again going back, doing a sign out. So now I have signed out, I have stopped my recording. And if I go back to my recording here, and here if you see, I have got incoming.telemetry.mozilla.org. What is this? Oh, this is not relevant to our recording. So yeah, this is some of the example. And again, since I'm using only my Mozilla as my browser, so that's the reason you could see there is only less amount of requests. But in case if you're using some other browser, it could in fact capture everything which you wanted to be like which you do not really wanted to be part of the scripting. So what I will do now is, let me again give you another example, and I will show you how to first exclude that, and then I will show you how to include the way the URLs. Right. So firstly, okay, let me try recording. I'll show you again recording of another one. So let me start recording. This is for a scenario like, what if something happens like this. Okay, and yep, the script is here, and then I have my JPEG store. I'm doing my recording, and then in the middle of it, what I'm doing is, let me uh, for example, like if in case if you have your machine and if some other records are getting recorded, so for example if I'm just running it, right, and now the Google must have got recorded. So let me go back to the script, and here if you see, the google.com has got recorded, right? So first I will show you how to exclude this, right? And for that, what I'll do is I'll go to HTTPS desktop recorder, and then I'm going to click on add. Just watch this video. So under URL patterns to exclude, I've clicked add, and then at the bottom you'll get a empty space where I'm going to type the following code. So www of backward slash dot Google, and then another backward slash, and then dot com dot star, right? So now what I did is I have added a URL pattern to exclude, and that is www backslash dot Google backslash dot com dot star. So that's going to be my URL pattern to exclude. And now what I'm going to do is, so I have until 8, which has the google.com. So you have watched that. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to record another time. And this time this is going to be 09, right? And I'm going to the browser, and then I will do some transactions in the pet store, and we will come here and see. So here you can see we have got again play.google.com, which is again a part of our testing. And let's now go back. Before that, let me change the transaction name to 10. And then here, if I click on Google, let me do refresh. Now if I come back, you cannot see the google.com, right? You can see only the play.google.com, not the google.com, right? So previously when we executed in our previous, before we even excluded it, we could see www.google.com, right? And now we could see other URLs but not the google.com, right? So what we will do now is, instead of adding all these exclusions, there is another way to do it, which is we can only include whatever URLs that we need, right? Let me stop this recording, and then going back to the HTTPS script recorder, and then I'm coming back to the URL patterns to include. I'm clicking on add, and then here I'm adding the URL. So let me just first paste the URL, and then I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just copying the petstore.octopuff.com, which is the path. Basically, this is the path. If you see in the script, where is that? Yeah, basically, if you see that, I'm just copying the petstore.com, which is the actual URL, the server name or IP which you wanted to record. So I'm copying it. I just want to create a clarification. That's the reason I'm not copying anywhere else. I'm just copying in the record that I have recorded. Coming back to the HTTPS script recorder, and then I'm pasting the URL here, and then just I'm going to replicate the same thing which we did for google.com. So adding a backslash, there's a dot already there, a period, and then coming back to the octopuff, adding another backslash, com dot, and then a star, right? Let me save it, clear everything, and now we'll create a new script, and that's going to be 11, right? And then I'm going to add 11, going back to the application, record everything else, just go back to all these pages, and now let's come back to the 11 and see what else we have recorded. So it's just only petstore.octopuff.com, all these 5-6 transactions. And now to do a fire test, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the google.com, right? And then if I go back here, you cannot find the google.com because the first thing is it's already excluded. And now, okay, let's try this way. So I'll stop it. I'll go back to the HTTPS desktop recorder. I'll remove the google.com, right? So which means I'm not excluding it, but I'm not including it also, right? So now what I did is I just have only my inclusion, nothing else. So I'm just saving it, clearing everything, coming back to the start, I'll record this as 12, and then going back. So I'll just do straightly. I'm just running this google.com multiple times, and if you see, it has not yet recorded. Nothing has been recorded yet. So I'll go to the JPEG store, refresh it, refresh again, click some product, coming back. See, I did refresh twice, and then click on some of the actions. Yep. So this is how you are going to save your time, your energy, avoiding errors. Right. So you can you can just include whatever the URLs you want, and that should be in this format. So this will save you a lot of time, again, a lot of time and a lot of energy, and it will help prevent you from errors. Right. So yeah, I really believe you would thank me for this video, and please do show that in the likes. Share the video. You might know a lot of people are struggling with this, and I might not know them, but you might know them as your colleagues or someone who really needs it. So just share across your friends, your colleagues, your peers, and your organization. Keep it in WhatsApp, whatnot, and then yep. So that I come to an end, and I believe this video would be very helpful to you. So until I meet you in definitely another interesting and informative video, it's bye bye from Mr. Mugam and your favorite Little Star YouTube channel. Please don't forget to join our channel for more quality content like this. Thank you and bye bye.